whenever you face this issue, like when you're giving like ng serve, that time if you face this issue like cannot be loaded because running script is disabled on this system. So in the system the script is getting restricted in some way, so we need to resolve this to run this command inside of the visual code. So it may work outside of the visual code, this ng, but it will not be work inside of your root project. Actually this is the issue. So let's see how to resolve this issue. So now to resolve this issue, so you need to open the PowerShell in administrator mode. Okay, so in this I'm going to give some command to control all the restrictions which is restricting to not to load the scripts in the system. So because of that only this issue is coming. So for that I'm going to give some command. So let's see what is the command. So we need to use a command here. I will be give this command under the description, you may check it out there. So what is this description? This is a execution policy. This is default a policy in a Windows system. So what this policy will do, it will be it will be collect all the scripted files from the internet and it will be download which is required for the systems. So it will be remove the restrictions in the system which is restricting to load that ng serve. It will be remove all that restrictions and it will be load the scripted file from the internet or download. So let we check how it seems to be work out. So this command show I will be given the descriptions and you may use the descriptions. Thanks. Okay, now it's asking some options like yes or yes to all or not to all or no or suspend here. Do you want to change the execution policy to all or yes? Just we give yes, that's enough. I think so to generate the ng here to allow the ng to be load here. Okay, I think yes is enough. Okay, this yes is enough. Okay, after this given why it's got set up, and so let's be check out it working out or not. Okay, let's go out code and we can check it out. Like we can give ng and serve here and just give enter. Let's we see we are getting the same error or it's working or not. Yeah, it's working. So actually this is a solution for this. You may try it out and if you have any doubt let me comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.